I'm back with another exciting tutorial. You must be wondering why there is a water and the cityscape there. Actually, the water is a GIF file which I've downloaded from the internet, and on the top of the water it will show you the bridge where it will show you the timelines. So starting from 2015 to 2019, and I have added another slide where without any water or the cityscape, where it will show you the same 5 years timelines. And the third slide I have used as a broad bridge or a flyover with the timelines. So let's see how to create this slide in PowerPoint. Add a new slide. I'm just reducing the size to 30%. Zoom out and go to shapes. Select an oval shape and draw the oval shape something like this, and make the height as 10 and width as 18 inches. And go to format shape. I'm just going to give some transparency here and make it no outline. Bring it at this position. Press Ctrl D, add one more and reduce the size to 6 inches and the width remains same, and place it over here. Maybe you have to spend a little bit more time here to get a perfect curve shape. The other curve shape we can delete that one remaining. And then I'm going to use the merge shapes and to subtract that. So first select the big oval and then the second oval, the small oval. Under format you can go merge shape and just say subtract. And I'm just going to do unwanted oval, I'm just going to delete it. Just go and select a shape which is rectangle and delete the unwanted shape here. Select the oval and then the rectangle, merge shape and just say subtract. So you end up with this only, like a crescent. Increase the size. So all the after previous, you can see this one. So I'm just going to use the animation painter and going to just copy the animation to the rest of the text as well as the signboards. Now, when I click 2015, then 2016, 2017 and 2018, the last is 2019. That's it from me, friends. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel and don't forget to subscribe PowerPoint University. See you soon with more interesting stuff. Till then, goodbye.